Crush the Petit Beurre biscuits in a food processor, grease the mold, line it with a plastic freezer bag, and press firmly. Then add the melted butter to the crushed biscuits and mix well. Pour the mixture into the bottom of the mold, spread it evenly, and compact it. Place it in the refrigerator for half an hour. 1 cup of orange juice using a double boiler or in the microwave. Add breakfast cream to the cream cheese along with 2/3 cup of orange juice, powdered sugar, and mix well. Then grate the zest of 1 orange and add it to the cheese mixture, and mix well. Pour this mixture onto the biscuit layer and refrigerate for 1 hour. For the top layer, dissolve 1 pack of orange jelly in 1 cup of hot water and let it cool to room temperature. Pour the cooled jelly over the cheese layer and refrigerate for another 4 hours until completely set. Once the cake is set, remove it from the mold and garnish it with orange slices. Cut the cake with a slightly warm knife for clean slices. Enjoy your treat.